Hello friends, and welcome to the tutorial on least square fit. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to generate the least square fit line for a given set of points. Before beginning this tutorial, we would suggest you to complete the tutorial on using plots interactively, loading data from files, and getting started with arrays. Let us start this tutorial with the help of an example. Generate a least square fit line for L versus T square using the data in the file pendulum.txt. We have an input file generated from a simple pendulum experiment. It contains two columns of data. The first column is the length of the pendulum and the second is the corresponding time period of the pendulum. As we know, the square of the time period of a pendulum is directly proportional to its length. We shall plot L versus T square and verify this. To read the file input and parse the data, we are going to use the load.txt function. Switch to the terminal now. We can see that L and T are two sequences containing length and time values correspondingly. So let us first plot L versus T square. So type in the terminal ipython space -pylab, then type L, T is equal to load.txt within brackets in double quotes /home/fossee/pendulum.txt, comma unpack is equal to true, then bracket close, then type L, then secondly type T. We can see that there is a visible linear trend, but we do not get a straight line connecting them. We shall therefore generate a least square fit line. We will first generate the two matrices TSQ, that is T square, and A. Then we will use the least square, that is LSTSQ function, to find the values of M and C. So type TSQ is equal to T star T, then hit enter. Then type plot within brackets L, TSQ, within single quotes DO, then hit enter. Let us now generate the A matrix with L values. We shall first generate a 2 into 90 matrix, that is 2 by 90 matrix, with the first row as L values and the second rows as ones. Then take the transpose of it. So type in the terminal inter_mat, that is INTER _mat is equal to array within brackets L, ones underscore like, then within brackets 1, then closing brackets. Now you can see an error. Now the error is in the ones underscore like function we accidentally typed 1 instead of L. So you have to put L there. So we can see that we have intermediate matrix. Now we need the transpose. So type on the terminal A is equal to inter_mat dot T. Then type A, then hit enter. Now we have both the matrices A and T square, that is TSQ. We only need to use the LSTSQ function. So type result is equal to LSTSQ within brackets A, TSQ, where LSTSQ stands for least square. The result is a sequence of values. The first item in the sequence is the matrix P, that is the values of M and C. So type M, space C is equal to result within square brackets 0, then type M, then type C, so you can see the output. Now that we have M and C, so we need to generate the fitted values of t square. So type on the terminal tsq underscore fit is equal to m star l plus c. Then type plot within brackets 1 l comma tsq comma within single quotes do. Then before typing that plot, you have to type clear function. Then type plot within brackets L comma tsq comma bo. Now I can see the plot. Then type plot within brackets L comma tsq underscore fit comma r for that line. So we get the least square fit of L versus t square. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to generate the least square fit using matrices, use the function least square to generate a least square fit line. So here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. What does ones underscore like 1, 2, 3 produce? The options: array 1, 1, then just 1, 1, in square brackets, then in square brackets 1.0, 1.0, 1.0. Then the fourth option is error. And the second question is, the plot of u versus v is a bunch of scattered points that show a linear trend. How do you find the least square fit line of u versus v? And we'll look at the answers. The functions 1 underscore like in 1, 2, 3 will generate array 1, 1, 1. So that is the first question's answer. And the second one, the following set of commands will produce the least square fit line of u versus v. So A is equal to array within brackets u comma 1 underscore like u dot t, then line in command result is equal to least square within that is lstsq within brackets a comma v, then type m comma c is equal to result then square bracket 0, then the final command is lst underscore line is equal to m star u plus c, that is m multiplied by u plus c. So we hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Thank you.